Hello dear friends, you might be looking to enable auto switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi. When the mobile data speed is slow, an Android phone can automatically switch network to Wi-Fi. Also, the internet is switched to mobile data when the Wi-Fi speed is slow. Here is how to auto switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data in Android phone. Tap on Settings. Tap on Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi. Now tap on Wi-Fi Assistant. Turn on Auto Switch to Mobile Network. Here is Dual Channel Network Acceleration. This says use Wi-Fi and mobile data at the same time for a faster internet experience. Tap on this. Turn this setting on. After enabling this, you can see some of the apps are using mobile data and Wi-Fi at the same time. Thanks friends for watching this video.